What was life like when you were growing up in Nepal?
Well, the life was completely different from what I see now. When I was young, there was no school near me. We had to walk about 2 hours to the school and back again 2 hours. In the morning, before we went to school, we had to get up and look after the buffalo, take them out of their little shed into the sun, feed the buffaloes, then eat our food quickly and then go to school. We had no toys to play with. Only game we used to play was the bit of volleyball and no other games. And there is no television, no radios. We never had watches, so we used to watch the time by the shadow of the sun. When we came home, we used to feel very, very hungry, but for many children, they didn't have anything to eat at home. They had to wait until their parents got back home to cook them a meal. So it was very, very different from what it is now, Garma.